This is the prayer request database system. This is absolutely free. You can use this one. Now I will show you how to use this database. First, you will go to members here. As you can see here, there is a members list. So I put already list here. So this is me. This is my details. Mobile number, name, gender, birth date, telephone, ministry, you can write whatever, then join date, and active or inactive. So this is it. So you can search here by number, by mobile number or name. So let's say one. So we don't have one list. If we will write read, of course showing here, and also you can search also by mobile here 05. So look, it's showing here. Then you can select that specific members. Now we'll add a new member. So just click this new. Now save, then close. As what I've shown you before, we have one member in the list. So if I select this one, now we have two members. Here you can modify, example 6. Then now since we change one number, so database asking you to save or remain. So as of now we'll select yes. So changes done. It close. Now since this is prayer request database system, we'll start your transaction from here, file, then new. I will show you active list. As of now we don't have active list, and also done, we have already done one prayer. So this is the prayer request, and also this done. So it's showing here. As of now we don't have active in the list, so we'll process a new prayer request. Just select new, then time or date, just select this one, then today. Now automatically it will generate the ID. So here, this is transaction ID. From, just select this one option. Now you can select the member. You can write by example. If I type name Juliet, so it's here Juliet, just select this one, then hit OK. Now we have already request type. So as of now we'll say comfort or nation. Yes. Then I will put select as active here. So I will put so this is our prayer request details. Now just select save, and now if I preview, you can see your prayer request. You can print this one and put in your file. You can convert also into PDF. Look, this is it. So you can save now, so and print. You have a soft copy and you have hard copy. So when close, you can also process email and also you can print directly. So I will hit close here. Before, we are showing here done. Now we have active, so you can also write by name. Here you can search by name and you can modify also the details. Here just select this one. This is the details. Okay, so this one is not yet done. The status is still active, so you can modify the status. Example, this prayer answered already or done. Okay, let's see, answered. So just as you see here, if you will not click save, so this done is still disabled. Then if I hit save, look, now this one is activated. So again, you can review and click done, then close. Yes, so now we don't have active prayer request because that was already answered prayer or done. Now let's check here, done list. So now we have 2 prayer requests done. So this is how to use. This is very helpful for your documentation, so that you have a record not only for the prayer request, and also you have a record for your members here. So this database is free. You can download it on the description below for this video. Exactly, this is for prayer request database system, which is designed and developed by me, and this is my channel, Kamayo Ako. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Again, you can use this one, you can download to the description. Thank you and God bless.